Let's talk about how you can find the percentage difference between two numbers within Excel. So here we just have two products that we sell for our company. Here are the sales for those products in 2025 and the sales in 2026. Obviously, we can see that product 1 increased in sales and product 2 decreased in sales. So what we want to do is find the percentage difference or the percent change between these revenue or sales amounts. So basically in Excel, you're going to use a pretty simple formula. You're going to start with a parenthesis, and the formula you're going to use is the final minus initial divided by the initial. So in other words, you're going to take the final or the most recent sales amount, subtract that from the initial or the starting sales amount of 2025, end quote, and then we're going to divide that by the initial or the first sales amount. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and we'll change this to a percentage and add a decimal, and we can see that sales increased from product 1 from 2025 to 2026 by 67.5%. Pretty solid. Now if we click the bottom right corner of this formula and drag it down, we can copy that formula, and we can see that from product 2, sales decreased nearly 40% from 2025 to 2026. So there you have it. That's how you can calculate the percentage difference between two numbers or the percent change in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.